but not with cinnamon. Oh, not cinnamon. This ground turmeric stuff.
Yeah, because we don't have cinnamon.
Okay. We tried this once, but it did not record.
Go follow me on
Instagram.
Instagram.
Insta spam. Insta spam. There's a timer here. Whoever survives longer, the winner. The
Mine.
loser does Isla.
Mine. I love this plan.
I cannot speak to it. You go first, buddy.
Nah. Let's pour some in here. Bro, here you go. Here you go. Where you going first?
Fine.
And we'll put my account in the description.
Yeah, YouTube subscribe. YouTube and Insta spam. He will be making videos today. Or while he's over.
We were going to do a Chubby Bunny challenge, but
It didn't record the whole thing. But I'll put that up. I'll put that failed video up with this recording after this video is over.
yeah, then we'll put the Ask Bucket challenge in this video.
I was about to challenge in this video, yes.
Alright, go first. I'll start rubbing this thing in your mouth.
We tried this, but it didn't record.
Yeah, and it's disgusting. Eyeball.
Eyeball my face. I mean, cinnamon.
Go.
Oh.
Like this. Brother. You know, like there's only one YouTuber that ever like swallowed it, the cinnamon. Is it still easy?
I'm not following it.
51 seconds.
I hate that.
There's some water there.
Ugh.
My turn. But can I get you another spoon? Go.
Would not recommend this. It's some bullcrap. Oh.
Bro, this is like a tablespoon, but no, I'm not really mad. It's just like
That's less than me.
no, it's not.
Look at this.
Okay.
Look at this big old wuss.
Yeah. Put that in. Put it on that. I'm a wuss. I'm a wuss.
Okay. Okay, here we go. I started it.
Whoa.
I had 51. Oh god. I do not like that. It spread it across your tongue. I go like this and spread it on your tongue. But don't swallow it. Kitty. That cat. Oh god, no. Is it all across your tongue? Dang it! You got it on my phone! You got 53 seconds.
Huh?
You got 53.
I stood out right at yours.
No, you got it at 53 or 52. You did.
I stood out like 40, like I kept it in like 49 and then
I still have that pepper taste. mixed with this stuff. This is not good. Okay, guys. So I lost that.
No, you never did it. I tried to do it at the same time so me and Nick can get the same Ice Bucket Challenge.
Oh. But yeah, you got it all over my phone, so just turn this off. And then just look at all that. Just look at all that. Look what you did. Look what you did.
Shut up.
Look what he did to my phone. I can't believe that. You had to pay for it. Oh, you're mad. Okay.
So me and you gonna do that first time?
I don't know. Are we? Okay, come on. If it's still not good, here you go. Here you go. Isaiah. Here you go.
Bro.
3, 2, 1. I'm gonna start little. Oh, well, dude, put it in your mouth.
Oh.
Is that good, boy?
Shut up. Alright,
Okay.
Bro, that I did not enjoy that.
Me neither. Oh, I don't like that taste.
Well, I still have it. Hey, you got a bucket?
So, guys, we're going to back in a few minutes, actually, but for you, a few seconds. And we're going to be doing the Ice Bucket Challenge. It's not going to be good. Isaiah, you're cleaning this.
I'm not cleaning it.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not. You're cleaning it. It's your house. I swallowed the tape, bro.
Oh, you're cleaning that up, though.
What?
Look at your feet.
No, I'm not.
Nasty.
I'm not.
Look at that guy. He's like, you wuss. Okay, so we'll see you guys in the next few seconds. Alright, guys, we're going to be doing the Ice Bucket Challenge. Even though it's raining, let's go.